All Dogecoin holders _ massive pumps are coming for Dogecoin. Hi there. Welcome to Crypto City, your daily plug for crypto news. Before we dive into the topic of the day, let's raise the crypto army by hitting the like and subscribe button. Without any further ado, let's dive into the topic. The price of Dogecoin remains stable at the 17 cents mark, preventing any further decline. Buyers seem to be coming up and prepping Dogecoin for a large increase in price. Following the Saturday flash fall, the price of Dogecoin has been a source of anxiety for many bulls and long-term holders. Fears of more downward pressure and the dip below 10 cents seem to be diminishing sellers are unable or unwilling to take Dogecoin below that last support zone. Dogecoin's entire price structure is a bearish continuation setup. Bearish pennant Dogecoin pricing is now at the crossroads of determining whether a bear or bull market for Dogecoin will commence. JSX is an unprecedented financial asset that combines the best elements of a traditional investment with the backing of a stable coin and the use cases of many of the largest decentralized currencies like XRP. Only 0.2 to 0.3 box reversal point and figure chart, there is now a tremendously bullish entrance signal. The hypothetical long trade would include a buy stop at 18.6 cents, a stop loss at 17.6 cents and a profit objective of 24 cents. On the point and figure chart, the entry is predicated on a breakout from a quadruple top bull flag that developed soon after Dogecoin transitioned into a bull market. Entry and follow-up purchases are required to deny bears any additional power over Dogecoin's price direction. Continued move down, on the other hand, is not fully ruled out. If Dogecoin falls below 17.2 cents, a triple bottom will be broken, reverting Dogecoin to a bear market. On this point and figure chart, it would render the long entry in any near-term bullish momentum null and void. Dogecoin, like other cryptocurrencies, is very volatile with enormous surges and drops. Dogecoin in particular has had a volatile past and is prone to sudden price movements. The key driver for the price of Dogecoin is media attention, particularly considering its digital cultural significance. The main base coin's value skyrocketed in early 2018, when a number of media publications reported that Doge had reached a market valuation of more than $2 billion. Dogecoin received further public exposure in early 2021 as a result of the Wall Street bets and GameStop phenomena. This same year, Doge's market value surpassed $80 billion, with a new all-time high of around 73 cents. These types of tales typically result in new traders pouring money into a currency, often due to a fear of missing out. However, these surges are often followed by dramatic collapses when huge volume traders take profits. It is feasible to attempt to foresee such collapses, but it is hazardous and you may end up losing money rather than making it. Following its bull run in May 2021, Doge fell by about 74% in a little over a month, from roughly 73 cents in May to around 17 cents by June. Dogecoin hasn't seen a significant upgrade for a while. Any hint of new features might lead to a price spike. You should keep watch on the Dogecoin Reddit account in order to anticipate any new Dogecoin features or services that aim to accept Dogecoin as a payment mechanism. These types of announcements usually result in a rise in the value of the coin. Still, the currency with this much appeal can't afford to be stagnant in terms of growth or lack thereof. Dogecoin users have also been known to do their own marketing. In 2021, a number of community members successfully marketed Dogecoin on billboards around the US. In between all of the memes and jokes, the community strives to plan important events such as fundraisers on occasion. If Dogecoin's users successfully finished fundraising, it'll likely gain media attention, resulting in a positive price increase for the main coin, even by cryptocurrency norms. Dogecoin has seen extremely dramatic price fluctuations. Because the cryptocurrency market is still in its infancy, you can anticipate it to be volatile with many peaks and valleys. Dogecoin, like many other cryptocurrencies, has been an overall rising trend in the medium to long term. However, 2021 has shown certain cryptocurrencies, notably Doge, to establish more specific market patterns of their own. As more mainstream traders can engage in cryptocurrency trading, prices should continue to rise, although with occasional bumps along the way. Unlike his former colleague and fellow co-founder Billy Marcus, who recently said that he bought in Dogecoin for the first time ever to assist in rebounding from the June slump, Jackson Palmer has expressed strong reservations about cryptocurrencies. The software developer collaborated with Marcus back in 2013 to build Dogecoin as a joke, mocking Bitcoin's cult-like attraction as it rose in exposure and value in the 2010s. However, despite his initial aim to utilize Dogecoin to encourage more creativity in the cryptocurrency sector, Palmer declared in 2015 that he would be taking an extended leave of absence from the crypto realm and criticized its significantly rich white and male composition. Palmer's critique has provoked various responses from many in the cryptocurrency industry who felt it may provide a viable alternative to established financial systems and banks. One such person who disagrees with Palmer's characterization of cryptocurrencies as a system controlled by a tiny number of affluent and privileged people is next up Nero, co-founder and CIO of the DV project, a decentralized payment ecosystem intended to accelerate the adoption of digital currencies. Every market is controlled to some extent, he claims. I would say that cryptocurrency is one of the least, particularly when considering stock market manipulation by players wielding excessive power. How about the world's biggest corporations such as Amazon essentially paying no taxes? I would say that the elites have co-opted the old financial system to enhance their bottom line much more than cryptocurrencies have. Following this extended period of stasis, Dogecoin's price projections seem to have pushed thoughts of the currency ever hitting $1 value or higher anytime soon, significantly more out of reach. The cryptocurrency came close to reaching that milestone in early May before China's latest moves to stifle the flow of transactions and mining began to shake the market. With this latest bout of volatility adding to rising concerns about the long-term health and sustainability of the crypto market, as well as whether more volatility is on the way. According to estimates of its positive backing, Wallet Investor predicts the Dogecoin's price would rise to 50 cents within a year, and $1.50 by 2026. Other experts are more cautious, anticipating that Doge wouldn't hit the $1.20 mark until 2028 or later. However, the insignificance of main currencies such as Dogecoin makes them an even riskier investment for crypto investors, with a far higher volatility in value and less predictability in price. A coin is only as good as its development team. The more engaged the core development team is, the better it will perform in the long run. This is due to their ability to make adjustments to make the cryptocurrency more flexible to shifting market demands. They're also capable of dealing with concerns such as security, which is crucial to the long-term success of any cryptocurrency. Consider Ethereum as an example of why solid and active development team is critical. For a long time, Ethereum has struggled with scalability issues, making it almost hard for developers to create dApps on the network. The gas tax has made it almost hard for developers to purchase Ethereum, particularly in modest sums. The team, however, has corrected this via a fork that has altered how gas is calculated on the network. This has freed up the network, and the effects are seen in the current price movement of Ethereum. Dogecoin's development team has been dormant for quite some time. It was never serious from the start as well. This is reflected in the words of one of its founders, who said that the coin was a joke and that it should be regarded as such. However, since individuals like Elon Musk began to hype it up, the programming crew has returned. They not only maintain the network, but also develop modifications to make it more efficient. This is likely to instill confidence in investors who may have previously dismissed Dogecoin as a joke. Having said that, it's always a good idea to approach the market logically. This high-leverage trading should be handled with prudence in the market. That's because even a little change in the price of Doge might wipe you out. Small changes may potentially represent a 50% correction in this scenario. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already and turn on bell notifications.